want just not to come. Some drivers are just out. You need to intentionally move them. And when you realize tend to break the rules too much, it's not good. Because we are smaller, yeah? Because we are smaller, we just enter every corner that the motor can enter. But sometimes I want to use to the advantage of the customer. We're able to deliver the food quickly for the customer. So this reference. We start this trip early, but I hope the customer forgives us. You know, this route is not very dependable. Neither is the other side as well. Because this side, when you see the shakes, dangerous shakes, man. This road is bad rough, man. And I need this car to be out of my front so I can go. You know, this area, when it rains, it's a hell of a time, man. Let's come to the side here so it's good. Hey, the shakes alone, bro. Sorry, man. So maybe going forward, I'll have to upgrade my bike to a Django. This is a Royal 125, but it's a mod version, you know. It's a mix of a 150 engine with a 125 body. So let me say the bike is a 125. It's a 150 actually. I have good shots, but I mean, so another rough road that slows you down. Okay, we are here. Alright. So we'll pick the other inside.